Well, boys and girls, we've had our rocks tumbling in the tumbler for over a week now. And my handy dandy green little rubber band that I makeshifted uh, has been working quite well. So what we're going to do is we're going to clear out the coarse grit, rinse the rocks off, and see what they look like. We'll put them back in. They're going to have to go through a little finer grit and then finer again before they start the polishing process. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to unplug, this poor little, wow, actually not so, I would think it'd be hotter. This motor has been going non-stop for over a week. Now I'm going to take off the drum, and we're going to have to open up the drum and see what we have. So I'll move that there. All right. Oh my, look at the grit when I started looked like this. And now I've got a brown foam. Look at that. I've got a brown foam. See that? Oh my. All right, well, let's reach in here and see what we have. I've got my first rock. I'm going to rinse it in some water. Doesn't look too different. Let's take some others out. Rinse them off. And again, they're going to need some more work. Let's see what else we have here. Now this one looks as if it's gotten a little polished. This one looks nice. It's kind of a purple. I'll just take out a few more here and look. Oh, goodness. Look at these. These look promising. Of course, they're not anywhere close to being done. So we'll put these in again and we'll see what happens. But some of these that had a lot of nooks and crannies, they look as if they could use some more polishing. I don't see how this is going to be smooth. It doesn't look smooth at all. The same with this. Now this one looks a little smoother. I remember that one. Let's take a few more out. Of course, I've got to clean this drum out, totally get all the grit, the old grit out. I'm tempted to put them through again though. Like this granite really doesn't look as if much has happened. Some of these others that started out a little smoother look better. But once more, we'll go in once more and then that one's different. Okay, well, after the first week, what do we see? Not a lot of difference, a little bit. I think some of the rough places have worn down. They've eroded down, but you know, and there's a lot of, we can tell because look what's in the drum, this dark brown water. And what we started out with was grit that was dark gray. I'm going to go to the bottom and show you. So we'll put it through again with the next course. Boy, I'll tell you, I'm tempted to put it through with step 1 again. But I've got step 2, which is a medium grit. I'll think about it. We'll see what we come up with.